Yo, market's about to open. Straight off the bat, we got these hourly highs up in this 4 hour fair value gap that look pretty promising. We've come down, we've tapped into this massive gap. Like I said, I thought we would. We haven't filled in this opening gap, so there is still a narrative to go lower if we would want to do that, if price wants to do that. Yeah, it's looking pretty good for a setup today. We've got hourly fair value gap. We've got this hourly low inside a fair value gap. 15 minute, same sort of thing. Yeah, this 15 minute fair value gap. We've got nothing to the downside. Well, technically this low here actually, but yeah, that's not really something that I'd potentially take along off that. But yeah, I'd rather us come down and going towards these lows. As market just opens. We've tapped into this 15. We have no fair value gap, so we're unable to take a short. Got some nice volatility straight off the bat, right off the rip. Yeah, not even on the 30-second. I would never take one off the 15-second. Yeah, let's just see what happens. Do have an SMT to the upside, potentially. Oh no, not anymore. Nasdaq just taken out this low, which is a 15-minute low inside a 15-minute fair value gap that has been respected. So it's a valid point to long off if a setup occurs. I'm more inclined to believe that we would want to come all the way down to here, these lows, and take a long, but it could happen. See what displacement we get. I want to see strong displacement if we were to take a long. It's just annoying that there was no fair value gap here to take a short, because I would have been, to be fair, it would have been a quick break even here. I'd have to target all the way down to here, these lows. I'm not saying that would have been a bad thing. As I said, I think there's very good reason for the price to go lower. But yeah, it would have been a quick break even taking this trade. Market might just dump all the way down to these lows, filling in more of this gap. Taps into this 5-minute fair value gap down here. Also still not closed below this 15-minute low. I'd break even up here if it was inverse target up here. I don't really like the look of it. Don't know, the price is moving too. Wants to go lower today, so probably won't take that. This would have been an unbelievable trade if we was able to take a short of this. But like, yeah, we had the 15-second inverse that I bet quite a few people took. Sorry. That is very good. Break even here, could take stops here and here. Would have been an unbelievable trade. Definitely will play out as well. 5 minutes just opened up. No, I wouldn't mind if we don't take these out. I wouldn't mind taking a continuation trade, filling in this and going lower. If we haven't taken out, we haven't taken this out on S&P or potential for trade. good structure. Well, if this is the fair value gap, then the entry will be a bit too shit, for lack of better words. Unless the 2 minute stays open, but I doubt that. If we're going to want to go lower, it'll probably just happen straight away. Are we reversing right now? What's going on? Maybe come up, resweep of these guys. But there's no way we've come all the way down to not take these lows out, shall I mean? We've got to be going lower. Let's see what happens now. We've inversed this, which is obviously not a good trade, because we haven't swept out anything, and it's like, yeah, obviously I'm not going to say that. Just because we've inversed the 5 minute fair value gap as well, that doesn't mean I'm necessarily completely switching my bias. Like, we're still respecting these 15 minute, the hourly fair value gap, and we haven't taken out any targets on the downside. This is a good resweep. We do have this 2 minute down here though, is there anything? Could risk it for a biscuit. I would love the 3 minutes to stay open, then we take the 3 minute inverse rather than 2 minute, just because we have this 2 minute fair value gap down here. But if I see good displacement, I need to memorize these contract risks. 3 contracts, 250 to 300. 250 to 333. That makes sense. Right, we haven't kept open the 3 minute. So it would have to be this 2 minute if it wants to reverse now. Displacement's not clear though. No inverse. So we disrespected this fair value gap. I mean, technically we didn't disrespect this 15 minute low or the fair value gap, but it's like it went all the way down to here, literally like a few ticks away from this low. And why would it not want to take this?
Order filled.
Right, bad entry, but not risking much. I do believe this is going to play out. Like, I'm not mad if this loses. We'll just go break even. Might as well go break even just here. And then hopefully this just reaches. We did invest both 2 minute size, which is a good sign. Yeah, it's looking good. Come up, resweep of this 15 minute high. Inside the hourly fair value gap, inverse 2 minutes to the downside. It's a pretty textbook trade. I'd be silly not to take it. Yeah. Probably could have done 3 contracts, just risked just above $500 rather than the low end of 2 contracts. Would like to see S&P closed out this fair value gap down here. But yes. I wouldn't be surprised if this doesn't play out like it. It's a very good trade, I think. Yeah, it just doesn't really look like it has much power to the downside or to the upside right now. But the setup looks really good, so yeah, we'll just see what happens. Sometimes you just lose a good one, like it's part of the game. Trading's probabilities, and the fact that it's a probability game means like no trade is guaranteed to win, you know. Alright, break even there. Risk-free trade.
Order filled.
There we go, another dub, bro. Let's go. That's put us up over 4% now. We got $700 to win. That's one good trade away from passing this account, which is pretty unbelievable to say, to be honest. Fuck! I'm excited, man. I'm trading very well. Like, this is a beautiful trade. The only thing that I'm not, like, I probably could have risked 3 contracts to just do over $500, but sort of said to myself, like, 500 is the max. 1% is the max I wanna risk, and yeah, it just meant that 3 contracts would have been a little bit above that. I probably still could have done it, but yeah, just won like 300 today. Still a win. A win's a win. Gets us a little step closer. Now we're two wins like that away from passing, or one big one. I'll probably try go for the 2 little ones, to be honest, to stop myself from, you know, taking anything that's like, oh, this could be the one that passes. But yeah, we'll see. What day is it today? Thursday. Still got a day of trading. Oh no, it's Wednesday today. Still got 2 days of trading left on the week. Bro, if we pass it, imagine if we get past it this week, it'd be crazy. So yeah, I'm expecting it to pass next week. If I'm still trading, if price action has just been unbelievable recently, it really has been like top. Like, there's been no trades that should have played out that haven't. Do you know what I mean? That are really good trades that haven't played out, which is rare. Like, even good, like the best trades can still lose sometimes, but it just hasn't been like that for the last like 2 months. So yeah, beautiful. I'm very happy to pass out. Win a trade. That's me done for today. Less than half hour. Yeah, that's that.